The Betaweld SLSeries wire is a new generation of seamless flux cord welding wire that provides the highest welding standards in the industry. Manufactured in Europe, the SL-Series features a seamless copper-coated rutile flux core, which delivers an unparalleled level of performance and productivity for any welding project. Setting up the Betaweld SL wire on your power source is a very simple and straightforward loading process with a multi-fit spool. With its smooth running characteristic, the wire has great feedability and can be used with standard solid wire rollers, eliminating the need to employ knurled feed rollers. The SL-Series wire will revolutionise your welding workflow. It gives the operator an advantage of being able to weld from a flat to vertical up with no adjustment to your weld settings. It also provides excellent operator appeal due to outstanding weld performance and its smooth running with excellent out-of-position capabilities. With minimal weld splatter and fast freezing slag that is simple to remove, this wire represents the most cost-effective seamless cord wire on the market today, reducing wasted downtime and cleanup. The Betaweld SL-Series wire also features a very low content of diffusible hydrogen that decreases the chances of hydrogen-induced weld cracking. Find your batch certificate online by simply scanning the carton's QR code and following the prompts to view or download the documentation. The SL-Series seamless flux cord wire is ideal for transport manufacturing, shipbuilding, oil and gas industries, heavy-duty fabrication and mobile equipment repairs. For a premium quality result and outstanding consistency, the Betaweld SL-Series wire provides the ultimate solution to all your welding projects. Place your order today and enjoy a new class of welding performance. Betaweld, creating better welding solutions.